Okay, this is a way to get fuel injection hose or any kind of hose over a barbed pipe where you're supposed to have the quick disconnects or whatever, fuel lines or whatever. What I did it to this one already to kind of show you a preview of it. There's the nub right there. That nub is right there. Problem is when you go to, sorry, drop that. When you go to put this on here, that is not gonna, that won't slide over that. And I like to get it past that so it gives an extra seal for the fuel, so it doesn't, it makes it harder for it to go through. But all I do, put the hose clamp on the hose. It's gonna be way back out of sight so you can't see it, but it's on the hose. But what I do is I'll take that, and I have a cheap Harbor Freight heat gun. You can use it on low, just takes a little longer, or high, whatever, your preference. And what I do is I'll heat them both at the same time. But I'll heat it going at an angle to where you can see where like basically the heat's going inside the hose. And once it starts getting really warm and really flexible, usually if it just starts smoking, it's good. And you slide it over everything. I'm going to try to do this at the same time, if anything will work. Get the pipe heated up a little bit. Get this where it's going, the heat's kind of going on the edge and kind of inside. And just hold it there for a little bit. My finger's already getting hot. And that should be plenty. Burn my fingers off. And just kind of keep getting it on there, and might have to keep heating it up a little bit. Now this is a new fuel tank, new fuel system and everything, so there's not any gas at all. If you're using it on a old system, you could probably use like hot boiling water, put the rubber hose in that, and that should be getting it warm enough to see. Now I got enough room for my hose clamp to get on there, grab hose, where's my thing, to grab hose and to get over that nub. Plenty of room. I do recommend a decent fuel injection hose clamp, not the regular ones. Tighten it up and you're done.